In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to teach your kids real science and not have it overwhelm and stress you out. Let's face it, modern parenting is tough. You're already busy adulting your adult life, and adding one more task like teaching your kids science can feel absolutely impossible. I remember when my kids were little, there was always way more to do than I could do in a day. I was in graduate school, I had laundry and cooking to do and groceries to get. And there was always the yard. I also homeschooled my kids, and when I tried to school them the only way I knew how at the time, like in public school, I got burned out. I ended up exhausted and miserable and wanting to quit. But as my kids grew older, I realized a better way to do school, and it made all the difference. In this video, I will show you a different way to approach teaching your kids, not just science, but any subject. Okay, so the first step is to simply shift your perspective. Instead of feeling like you need to know all the answers to your child's questions and feeling stressed about it, understand that you don't need to teach them facts, particularly about science. Instead, you become more like a graduate advisor, where you just provide the guidance and support to help your kids search for the answers to their questions. Next, now that you're in graduate advisor mode, the second step is to gather as many of the best resources you can to help your child answer their own questions. Now, this can be books, curriculum, science kits, online research activities, or you can plan field trips, or you can help them make connections to other experts like scientists, engineers, or university professors by making the calls. The more resources you can provide, the better. The last and most important step is to set aside some time every week to just play with all the questions, ideas, and discoveries your child presents. Just an hour or so a week will do. Have fun helping them create a play or do their own science experiment or take a short hike or a field trip to the local bakery. There's no pressure here to find the right answers or come up with a Nobel Prize winning science fair project. It's just being curious and exploring yours and your child's imagination, and enjoying the process of learning through play. So now that you know the steps for teaching your kids science in a new and relaxing way, how do you make it stick? Well, it turns out I've developed a method called RATATAZ that will help your child feel comfortable tackling complex subjects. I've mapped out the very best way for kids to learn science, and all of the hard work of choosing where to begin has been done for you. Sequence matters, and we build it for you. And of course, each step of the RATATAZ method is backed by science. Click to learn more about our RATATAZ curriculum subscription kits.